Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 52. And the topic for today is arete. Arete is a Greek word and what it means is excellence. Arete is about being the best version of yourself. What is common between Virat Kohli, Harmanpreet Kaur, Cristiano Ronaldo or Armand Duplantis? They consistently work towards the best version of themselves. Take for example, Duplantis. In pole vault, Armand Duplantis broke the world record for the 14th time recently. He has already created world record for 13 times. What motivates him to work hard and break his own record for the 14th time? It's arete. It's about being the best version of themselves. Okay, what is it for common man like you and me? For common man like you and me, how to follow this arete? Being the best version of ourselves. For that, first we should have three things, my friends. The first thing is the clarity. We should have clarity in what skill we want to be excellent, where we are going to put all our hard work. And the second thing is focus. After having clarity, we should not get distracted because of money or because of fame or because of priorities. We should not get distracted. Once we have the clarity, we should focus on working towards that particular skill again and again. And the third thing is consistency. We can reach the state of arete only when we put our efforts consistently day in, day out on that particular skill. So to summarize, to become the best version of ourselves, we should have clarity, focus and consistency. Let all work towards the excellence in whatever field we want and enjoy this life. Thank you and see you soon. This is Subramanian, Chandramouli, author and sales specialist.